Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In the last video, I have demonstrated how to model a base plate using part modeling. In this video, you will learn about how to perform drafting for the previously modeled part, which is nothing but the base plate. Besides, you will learn how to create a frame and a title block. Open CATIA, File, Open. Open the base plate part that was modeled previously. The modeling of this base plate part was there in the videos of our channel. So I have uploaded this video previously. If you haven't seen, just go through this video also. Now go to start, mechanical design, drafting. So I'll take an empty sheet. Before taking an empty sheet, go to modify, check the standard. This must be ISO, and sheet style is A3 ISO. I'll select the landscape, click on OK. I'll take an empty sheet, click OK. Okay, select the sheet, right click, properties, scale is 1:1. I want third angle projection. Click on third angle projection, click OK. So go to views, click on front view, go to window, open this base plate. So this would be my front view. So I am selecting this face, click on this face. So you can click anywhere, select this and drag this. So you have got the front view generated. Now you want top view. Go to views, projection view, click on this. Just drag your mouse and click here. So a top view is also generated. Click on this. You can just move it anywhere in this vertical direction. Okay, so I want isometric view also to be generated. Go to views, click on isometric view, go to window, open base plate. So the viewing direction of this isometric view is this side. So I'll select this face, click on this face. It will redirect you to this drafting view. Click on anywhere. So you'll get this wireframe model. Select this and you can move it anywhere. So if you want this as a solid model, select this, right click, properties, drag down, select raster, click on options, and drop down menu, shading with edges, close, click on OK. So you have got the solid model of isometric view here. So now I want axis lines and center lines to be shown. Click on this front view, right click, properties, select hidden lines, center line, axis line, untick this fillets, click on OK. Okay, select the top view, right click, properties, select the hidden lines, center line, axis line, untick fillets, click on OK. You can select this center line, drag this up to here. Okay, click on fit in all. So I want dimensions to be generated for this. For this I'll click on generate dimensions. Click on this. I'll select OK and click on OK. So I've got dimensions generated. Drag this dimension, drag this dimension, this R, this 5. So I can delete this R, select delete, select delete, select delete. I can select and drag this, select and drag this, select and drag this. So I can select this and delete this dimension. So and also I don't want this half of the dimension, I want full dimension. Select this, delete this, select this and delete this. Okay, so I want this full dimension here. Click on dimensions, select this line, select this line, drag here and click. Again I want this dimension also. Click on dimensions, select this line, select this line, drag and click. Okay, so you can see all these dimensions are in mm. Before this I'll convert all these dimensions into inches. Just click somewhere, left click, select these two, drop down menu list, select inch. Here you can take up to 3 decimals. Click anywhere. Okay, so I want another dimension to be inserted. Select this dimension, click on this, click on this. So I want this dimension to be inserted. So this is also in mm. Select this, drop down menu list, inch. Okay, 0.75. So now select this, right click, properties, dimension line, representation, 2 parts. I want this to be represented in 2 parts. Click on this, drag this. Okay, select this, right click, properties, go to dimension, text, type into 4 holes. Click on OK. Select this and drag this. Okay, select this, right click, properties. So this is all you are doing to get the text in line horizontally. Representation, 2 parts. Click on OK. So again, select this, right click, properties, two parts, click on OK. Select this, right click, properties, two parts, click on OK. So you can have these dimensions properly dimensioned. Okay, you can select this and change the color, more colors. This is the color I have selected, click OK. Select this, more colors. This is the color I have selected. Select this, more colors. This is the color I have selected, click on OK. So you have all the dimensions that are shown here in the top view. This is the top view, you can see, front view and isometric. Okay, this is about dimensioning. So after dimensioning, we need to learn how to create frame and title block. Okay, we'll see how to create frame and title block. For this, just go to edit, sheet background. Okay, click on this frame and title block. So select any one of the samples. I'll select this, create, click OK. So you can just move your, you can't edit your drawing now. So I'll go to edit, working views. So I can edit my drawing as per the requirement. You can select and move it. Just a little is of exact. Okay, so again I'll go to sheet background, double click on this. I can edit the name, Samarth, drawing title, text. You can have drafting tutorial, base plate. Click on OK and select this. Okay, so you can edit these things and run by. You can type as Samarth. Same, you can change all this and double clicking and you can change it. So this is what I'll go to edit working views. So I want to print this uh, in a A4 sheet or A3 sheet. So we have given A3 sheet, so we need to print, we can print this directly by connecting to the printer, or else you can save it as PDF. Okay, we'll see how to print this. Go to file, print. So you can see here, this is no fitting. This is A4 ISO and printer is Canon MF. So I'll change it to Microsoft print to PDF. I want to print it to PDF, and go to page setup. Page setup is A3 ISO. Click on OK. Okay, you can see the preview also. Click on the preview, so you can see the preview how it looks like. Click on OK. Click on OK. So you can give base plate drafting tutorial. Okay, you can save it. File name base plate drafting tutorial. Okay, click on OK. So that will be saved in the folder where you have saved. Okay, so you can see how it looks like after printing, right? Thank you. Meet you in the next video.